Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a decorate with me of my entryway. I will be showing you guys how I decorate my entryway, and this is part 2 to the decorate with me of my entryway series that I'm doing. In part 1 I showed you guys how I did this gorgeous stencil wall, and you guys, I am still loving it. It looks so good. And also I showed you guys how I painted the door black to complement the stencil wall as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep watching. These two gorgeous mirrors I purchased at Kirtland's last year, and I got them for a really good deal. They were on sale. So while I was hanging the mirrors up, I was struggling a little, and then while I was trying to hang them up as well, I did realize that one of the mirrors weren't leveled with the other one, so I had to call my husband over to help me adjust them.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. You love and let go.
Here it is, you guys, the final look. I love how everything turned out. I love the stencil wall, of course, and I love how the black door complements the stencil wall, and I love all the decor items that I purchased for this space. Everything turns out good, everything is flowing, and I just love the dramatic look and feel that it's given to my entryway area. I am so in love with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys would love to see more videos like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be